Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious egg sandwich breakfast. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 large eggs, 2 slices of your favorite bread, and about 1 tablespoon of butter. Don't forget a slice of cheese, like cheddar or American, to add that creamy touch. Also, have your salt, pepper, and any other condiments, such as hot sauce or ketchup, ready to season your sandwich perfectly. This simple preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now, let's cook those eggs to perfection. Place a non-stick pan over medium-low heat and melt about half a tablespoon of butter. Once shimmering, crack your 2 eggs directly into the pan. Season them immediately with a pinch of salt and pepper. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side for a runny yolk, or extend the cooking time slightly for a firmer, fully cooked egg. This gentle heat prevents burning and ensures even cooking. With your eggs cooked, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. First, toast your 2 slices of bread to your preferred crispness. Carefully place the hot, cooked eggs onto 1 slice of the toasted bread. Immediately lay your cheese slice on top of the warm eggs. The residual heat will help it melt beautifully. Finish by adding any desired sauces, like sriracha or mayonnaise, then top with the second slice of toasted bread. Your delicious egg sandwich is almost ready. And there, you have it, a perfectly crafted egg sandwich breakfast. Serve your sandwich immediately to enjoy it at its best, while the cheese is still warm and gooey. This quick and satisfying meal is ideal for busy mornings. Consider pairing it with a fresh fruit salad or a hot cup of coffee for a complete and energizing start to your day. For those looking to simplify their home cleaning, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.